horizon worlds where our dreams come alive.
I'm going to be teaching you how to make our laser pointer using Raycast. The first thing you're going to need is a script and a Raycast. And then we're going to need a couple things. Let's go with a spear for our dot. And we're just going to go with a simple cylinder for our pencil. So I'm just going to stretch this up. I'm going to put this on the top of it like that. This is going to be our red dot. And then I'm going to go ahead and pull up the properties of my Raycast, and then I'm going to group these together. Now I'm going to pull up the properties of the group, and I'm going to attach my script like that. So now my script, I'm going to go to when world is started. I'm going to delete that. I'm going to go down to on update. I'm going to go over to actions, and I'm going to scroll down, and I'm going to get Raycast with not that one, Raycast. And it's going to be like, okay, what are we raycasting with? Well, we're going to create two variables, one for the raycast and one for the dot. So raycast can be RC, object, dot can be dot, like that, object. So we drag RC into the raycast with Gizmo. We're going to go back to our events and we're going to grab an if statement. We're going to go to operators and we're going to scroll all the way down, come back up a little bit and get raycast data. We're going to change this to did hit object. And from Raycast, we can just duplicate it there. Now, what do you want it to do? Well, we want to move the dot. So we can grab the dot. And where are we moving it to? Well, we're going to duplicate this line down, and we're going to change it to hit point. So we're going to move the dot to where it hits from wherever the Raycast has basically detected. So now on the Raycast, since we're going to be choosing objects, and you can do players too, so let's just go ahead and choose both. And our objects, let's just call it, A. You can call it whatever you want. And, before I get too far. So on our group for the pen, we're going to go ahead and attach our stuff. So our spear, which is going to be the dot, and then our Raycast is going to be the RC. And let's go ahead and paint our red dot. There we go. Make sure our pencil is grabbable. And then we can grab a wall, and we're going to change our gameplay tag to match that. So capital A. So once we get a wall, gameplay tags, capital A. So now when we come down here and grab our pencil, you can see that wherever I aim, you'll have the red dot. So different things you can use this for is obviously you can use it as a laser pointer. You can use the same method for like PvP worlds, so you can have a red dot on your gun. There's many uses for using, the red dot. It's just whatever you want to use it for specifically.
Evil's first the name, he's a beacon of light, crafting masterpieces with style and with might. His builds, they stand tall like stars in the night.